Hey up everyone, right. Got a good one today. It's not fish, it's not seafood of any kind. I'm going to do some meatballs. I've done this once before, and it worked quite well. So I'm going to try it again, but on camera this time. And all you need is a pack of meatballs, some chopped up bacon. That's the only bit of prep I've done. So I have done a bit of prep, but it took me about 2 minutes just to chop a few slices of bacon. Some chopped tomatoes, some sweet corn, green giant, obviously, green giant, and some dolmio, onion and garlic. So what you want is your air fryer on 200 degrees, and I'm going to preheat that. This is going to be a dead easy one to make. It's really not that difficult. What we're going to do is we're going to air fry these meatballs. Delicious. We're going to air fry them, put some bacon in when it's got a couple of minutes left to go, and then we're going to do the pasta is going to be of the microwave version. So we're going to do some microwave pasta, and then we can have meatballs with pasta. Now, you can put cheese on your pasta if you want. I personally don't put cheese on my pasta. But, yeah. Right, I'll come back when the air fryer is warmed up. So I'm absolutely knackered, which is probably why I seem a little bit off. I had quite a hard day's graft, to be fair. So, it is what it is. Just proves that you can still be tired and you can still cook. So, there's the air fryer warmed up. Nice and easy. These only need about 10 minutes. Fresh meatballs, and they can just go in there. And then you want air fryer set in 200 degrees, 10 minutes. So I'll give that 10 minutes and then we'll come back. Right, I've come back a little bit earlier than I said. I've got 4 minutes left on the air fryer, and the reason being is because I need to add all of this lovely bit. Them meatballs looking spot on, to be fair. They're coming along a treat. I need to add this lovely bacon into the mix. So currently in the air fryer now, I've got a mix of chopped up bits of bacon and meatballs. 200 degrees, give it the last 4 minutes. Give it the last 4 minutes at 200 degrees, and then what we're going to do is we're going to transfer all of that meat and goodness into this bowl that I carry with me. I'm hoping it's going to be big enough. Transfer all that meat into there. Tip the dolmio and the sweet corn in. Might not even be able to get the chopped tomatoes in that bowl. We'll see when we get it out of there. We'll see what happens. But yeah, right, back in a jiff. Right, that is a good sound. These meatballs look amazing. Right, so like I said, what we've got to do, transfer all of this without burning myself and without getting the fat, hopefully. Into a bowl. Don't think I'm going to have room for the chopped tomatoes in here. So I've got the bacon and the meatballs. In there. Right. So every day is a dolmio day. If I was at home now, put a little bit of water in there and just swirl it round, but I'm not at home. I've already drained the sweet corn, so technically another bit of prep I guess, but I did that actually while the food was cooking, so I'm not going to include it in prep time. This is looking very full, so I don't think we're going to get them chopped tomatoes in here. Oh, mixy mixy. Oh bollocks, I'm spilling some. 2 bits of sweet corn. Typical. One's just gone into my shoe trying to rescue it. Right. So I've lost 2 bits of sweet corn. Oh well. Worst things happen at sea. Onion and garlic in that. Right, so what we're going to do now is that is what we're left with. That is just going to go in the air fryer, preferably without burning yourself. Right. I'm going to give it 10 minutes. I've only put it on at 180. In fact, I might even turn it down. Literally all I'm doing here is I'm wanting to warm up that sauce, not wanting to cook it because everything's cooked in there now. I just want to warm the sauce up. The bacon might have a little bit of cooking to do, but in the grand scheme of things it's pretty much there. It will cook now in the sauce, so there we go. So I've put it on 160 for 10 minutes, so you know what's going to happen now. I'll see you in 10 minutes. Right, air fryer's gone off. That looks delicious. What I did is I stirred it halfway through. I just put a couple of minutes extra on the timer because I wanted the bacon to have just a little bit longer cooking in that sauce. Right, but it does look very nice. Bacon looks done. Right, so what we're going to do is leave that. That is actually quite nice. Leave that in the air fryer to keep warm. We need to do the pasta. Give the pouch a squeeze. Just looking at all the boy races. Give the pouch a squeeze. Tear up the corner, microwave 1 minute and 15 seconds. How easy is that? Tear up in one corner, 1 minute and 15 in the microwave. However, I can't set 15 seconds on the microwave, so I am going to have to do it for 1 minute and 20. But it's alright, it'll do. So, what I am going to do, I got some reduced crusty bread, so I'm going to actually tear bits of that off and dunk it in the sauce. Great part about this is, this meal here is going to feed me tonight and probably tomorrow dinner time. So what I'll do is I'll just tub it up and then I've got some for tomorrow. So it's a great meal. You can cook it once, you can have it for your tea tomorrow if you wanted, and just I've got some cheese in there. I can make some cheese sandwiches and have some cheese sandwiches, and then just have that for my tea tomorrow. That one meal, that one pack of meatballs with the dolmio and all that will do us 2 days quite happily. 15 seconds left at microwave. So that's the great part about it. if you make it at home, I have done in the past, is made it at home, batch cooked it, and because I'm a real fun guy, I chuck some mushrooms in when I'm at home, because I fry it all off in a pan and do it that way, and just add a bit extra, and that really is nice. Right. So I need my plate, I guess. It's just 1 minute and 15 seconds. Yeah. I've had this pasta before, guys, right? Is it the best pasta in the world? Dolmio microwave pasta. Is it the best pasta in the world? No. It's golden savoury rice that you just add water to or whatever. The best rice you've ever had in the world. Is it like Indian restaurant quality rice? No, it's not. You don't expect much from this pasta either, but it is pasta. And it adds a bit of carbs into the meal. So, what I'm going to do now is spoon some of this lovely goodness onto my pasta. One of my friends, one of these boy racers, one of my friends just come over and he's like, oh, what are you doing? Are you doing your YouTube? I was like, yeah. He said, oh, what now? I said, yeah. He says, what are you making? So I told him. He said, what? From scratch? He seemed like really impressed that I'm cooking from scratch, but I do it all the time, don't I? So one of our drivers actually said I eat better in the lorry than he does at home. Right, guys and girls, and everybody else, we have a delicious meatballs and pasta. That has taken less than 20 minutes. Right, well, no, actually a little bit more than 20 minutes. A delicious meal cooked. That is phenomenal. Oh my word. If people watching this don't try any of my other recipes, right, do this one. Incredibly simple, right, and wow, if I don't say so myself, wow, that is absolutely amazing. Cooked in the truck. But going back to what I was saying, it's dead easy to batch cook. And I was saying about having plenty left. There's loads left. So that could be dinner tomorrow. Or it could be supper. So I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to get on and eat this. And I've got some crusty loaf as well to eat with it. So almost forgot about the crusty loaf there. Wow. This meal, you need to try it, honestly, right? And I've said it in my other videos. Give me some suggestions, guys, what you want to see. So, and I'll endeavour to turn my hand to it. I am going to stop talking because now I'm starting to talk with my mouth full. because I can't stop eating that because it is absolutely heavenly. Right, peace out. Come back next week for another great recipe. I have got so many good ones coming up. Right, be sure not to miss it. Press the like button, subscribe, costs now, if you don't mind, that'd be very nice. Subscribing costs nothing, guys. A little like just all adds to the algorithm, push the content out so we can try and grow the channel a little bit. You never know, you might help somebody who is a trucker who is stuck for ideas of what they can do. This is dead simple. I bet most of the truckers down the road with an air fryer have never thought of it. So I've just got a little bit of imagination, and hopefully I can spread that imagination to people and they can eat a little bit better. So, right, signing off, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ciao.